Welcome to the channel. A few months back we did a deep dive on a super cute and effective SwitchBot K10 Pro robot vacuum, finding it to be a fabulous and incredibly compact cleaning companion, perfectly suited for a smaller apartment due to its size and effective hard floor cleaning. But the cleaning journey with SwitchBot doesn't end there. Today we're turning our attention to the SwitchBot K10 Pro Combo. This isn't just the excellent robot vacuum that we've already explored. It's a cleverly designed 2-in-1 cleaning system that integrates a powerful cordless vacuum stick right into the mix, all residing in a single, remarkably space-saving base station. The true innovation of this combo lies in the FusionBase dust collection station and how it's been intelligently modified to accommodate the star of the show, the integrated cordless stick vacuum, and its accompanying attachments. Your time is valuable, and let's see what makes this combo set so special. Now, we've already covered the SwitchBot K10 Pro part of this combo. If you want to see how this diminutive powerhouse of a robot vacuum did, then check out the video in the pop-up above. In this video, we'll be focusing on the other half of the combo, the integrated stick vac, and the modifications that have been made to the FusionBase dust collection station to make this a truly seamless and integrated cleaning solution. What's immediately striking is its compact footprint, occupying no more space than an A4 sheet of paper. This is a crucial design element, ensuring that even in a small living space, the combo system doesn't feel too obtrusive. This FusionBase serves multiple purposes. It's not only a charging dock for both the robot and the cordless stick vac cleaner, but also a centralized automation dust collection point for both devices. This dual emptying design is a significant convenience factor. After the robot completes its scheduled cleaning, or when you finish using your stick vac, simply dock either unit back into the FusionBase. This triggers an automatic emptying process. The collected dust and debris from both vacuums are deposited into the shared 3-liter dust bag within the base station. Even with my Dyson's unique and innovative approach to emptying its dust collection bin, I always seem to have a cloud of dust floating away from the bin. This system from SwitchBot removes that completely. Better still, the use of the dust bag contributes to hygiene by preventing dust from becoming airborne during the emptying process and minimizing direct contact with allergens. SwitchBot claims this large capacity bag only needs to be emptied approximately once every 70 days, offering a prolonged period of hands-free cleaning management, something that I can confirm even with cleaning twice a day. The antibacterial bag is super efficient and seals in up to 99.99% of bacteria, including Staphylococcus, E. coli, and many more. It's a great way to keep your home clean and hygienic. Plus, the automatic emptying feature is a huge plus. You don't have to worry about emptying dustbins at all. The integrated cordless stick vacuum cleaner standout features are its lightweight, weighing in at only 1.17 kilograms. Making it easy to maneuver for various cleaning tasks. Surprisingly, despite its lightweight, it delivers suction power up to 20,000 pascals, capable of picking up 99.7% of dust from the floor in a single pass. We'll test that later on. The true versatility of this stick vacuum comes from its included attachments. It ships with 4 different nozzles and brushes, making it suitable for cleaning at a wide range of surfaces beyond just your floor. These include tackling sofa gaps, curtain surfaces, surface tops, window frames, and stairs, and even for detailing cleaning inside of your car. The ability to use this for quick cleaning and reach difficult areas is a significant advantage. In our review of the K10 Pro, we praised it for its hard surface performance and its ability to get into small spaces and tight corners. This made it the ideal robot vacuum for small apartments where the space was limited. The question is, does the stick vac actually live up to the claims and provide a good experience at least as equal to the others on the market? After all, you don't want to compromise your cleaning solution even if it's a compact design. For this, I'm going to be running 2 tests. The first is to pick up 10 grams of rice on carpet. We'll be comparing the results of the SwitchBot stick vac against the Dyson V15. which admittedly costs 50% more than the cost of the K10 Plus Pro Combo, not just the stick vac. So the results should be interesting. We'll run both tests with the main motorized head to keep it as fair as possible, and only perform one pass. I'm going to be running on maximum power for both devices, as this will give you the best possible results. Obviously, you sacrifice runtime on this power setting, with the Dyson only able to maintain this for 12 minutes, and the SwitchBot only for 10 minutes. The Dyson is first up, and with a single pass it achieved a decent result, but did fail to collect 1 gram of rice. Next up is the SwitchBot, which actually managed to pick up more than the Dyson, although it was very close with about 1.5 grams not picked up on a single pass. In our second test, we'll be using the same heads and the same 10 grams of rice, however the surface will be a hard wood surface. For the second test, the Dyson is first up, redeeming itself and did a clean sweep, pun intended, with only 1 or 2 pieces of rice not picked up and getting scattered. Next up we have the SwitchBot, again at maximum power setting. This time the tables are reversed, with the SwitchBot scattering some rice, although it did collect all of the rice on the second pass. Also remember that your K10 Plus Pro would have picked up all of the rice before you even had to get out the stick vac. So let's quickly summarize the pros and cons for the SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro Combo. Firstly, the pros. The integrated system with a single compact base station is ideal for small living spaces. Both the robot and the stick vacuum benefit from the convenience of automatic dust emptying into a single shared large dust bag. The inclusion of a powerful cordless stick vac with multiple attachments allows for cleaning a wide range of surfaces and areas. The K10 Plus Pro is managed through a user-friendly SwitchBot app, offering easy control, scheduling and customization. The use of the antibacterial dust bag helps contain dust and allergens. Details like the V-shaped anti-tangle brush and the LED on the stick vac enhance the cleaning experience. And finally, integration with popular voice assistants like Alexa, Google, Siri, Home Assistant through Matter offer added convenience. Now as to the cons. In high power mode, the battery of the stick vac is only 10 minutes, limiting its use to extensive deep cleaning. While the 70 days claim for the dust bag is significant, the actual emptying frequency will depend on the amount of dirt collected. Remember, the refill bags are only available through SwitchBot. However, I did manage to exceed 70 days. Your mileage might vary. And finally, for full smart home integration with Siri and Matter requires the purchase of a SwitchBot Hub 2, which is sold separately. The SwitchBot 10K Plus Pro Combo presents a compelling proposition for those seeking a versatile and space-saving home cleaning solution. By cleverly integrating the cordless stick vac with the already impressive K10 Plus Pro vacuum into a single efficient FusionBase, SwitchBot has addressed the need for both automation and targeted cleaning. The dual auto-empty system offers a significant convenience upgrade, and the versatility of the stick vac with its attachments expands the cleaning capabilities beyond just the floors. While battery life in high power mode for the stick vac might be a consideration for larger homes, the overall package offers a very well thought out and comprehensive cleaning experience, particularly well suited for those with smaller or medium-sized apartments and looking to minimize the cleaning clutter. The smart app integration and voice control capabilities further enhance this experience, making the SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro Combo a strong contender in the realm of integrated home cleaning solutions. So should you buy it? If you're in a smaller apartment and space is a real concern, then the K10 Plus Pro is a definite contender. I personally run an S10 and my Dyson V15, and it does take up a lot more space and a power socket. But I have the space, so it doesn't bother me. But for you, this might be the deciding factor. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then hit that like button, comment and share. And if you want to have access to similar material, then subscribe or maybe become a channel member and get early access to material plus other perks. And if you want to join other like-minded people, then why not join the Discord channel where smart home enthusiasts meet to solve each other's problems. And if I've helped you make a purchasing decision, then maybe a super thanks or a PayPal donation. It's really appreciated. Until the next one.